I will take you through the quick and easy process of installing NCODE on your computer. You need to open Payworld DT Software by double-clicking the icon and log in using username, state, password and registered mobile number. Once logged in, you will see a similar screen and you need to click on the Rail e-ticketing icon. In case NCODE is not installed, you will get an alert message saying no certificate found. Click OK to close this pop-up and go to the reports section through the left navigation panel and click on Other Reports. Click on the dongle software link and from this section you need to download the PKI Manager NCODE software and click Save on File Download Confirmation. Once the file has been downloaded, you need to open it and double-click on the SCSED application setup. Installation can be done by using default options and click Finish to complete the process. Now you can insert the USB dongle and click on the home icon on the left navigation panel. Go to the Rail e-ticketing section and you can start utilizing the railway booking service.